Hello everyone, this is Kevin here from TaiYang Automatic. Today I'm going to installation the roll former system. You see? As you can see, this is our roll former. This unit for the stacking. Here this is the lifting conveyor, the side pallet, and here the control box. The operator will sitting here to push the bundle side by side and make the bundle as the pallet of roll, and then he will automatically discharge for the next step. For example, like the strapping and wrapping. As you can see here is our roll former palletized insert. When the pallet transported by the forklift truck, put it in here, and then we can turn in as an automatic model. Finish. Let's start it. Then you can see the pallet will automatic insert to the pallet storage conveyor. You push the pallet and then open and then lift. The next action is the next pallet will automatic transport to the here pallet elegant unit. You see, you will push the pallet on this side and then you transport to the stacking unit. As you can see, the pallet will automatic for the transport to the next pallet. When the stacking unit, all unit on the right side, and then you can push this button, and then the pallet will automatically discharge in here and lift on the right side. Okay. For the next step, the operator will sitting here and then just push the bundle in here as a square here, and then the pallet automatic here. Is the next button. Here. No need to lift the button and then stack. This machine can reduce the operator intensity. Okay. Let's go to the next session. Okay, this is all of the installation of our roll former system. Hope it's helpful for you. By the way, if you like this channel, please subscribe, sharing. Your kind comment is my best motivator. Thank you.